What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail, South Chicagoland area. Today we're doing a vehicle showcase on this 2021 Toyota Supra. Shout out to Doc. We have this vehicle in for a full Icon Rock Clear application. We did a showroom package. So we coated all the paint in Icon Rock Clear, and then we did all the trims in Fireball Aegis, the headlights, the taillights, the front grille, any black plastics, mirrors, chrome, emblems. We did the rims with Fireball Talon, all four of the faces, as well as the tires in Fireball Janus. And then to top it off, we did all the windows with our Fireball Glass Shield Pro. I have some great news about our Glass Shield Pro. It is the longest lasting window coating that I have found and tested on any vehicles, and I want to tell you why. But first, let me go into this vehicle. We did Icon Rock Clear, which is our bona fide 15-year warranted coating, lab tested in North America, and this is up to 30% of rock chip and scratch resistance, way better than ceramic coatings. Now, ceramic coatings have their place and we still apply them, but Icon Rock Clear has protection. We're protecting the exterior from everything. Road grime, road salt, debris, the elements, tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray, and up to 30% of physical protections like rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes. It's also up to 75 times stronger than any ceramic coating in the world, up to 30% glossier, up to 20 times the UV and oxidation protection, and up to 25 times thicker than any ceramic coating. Why? Because let me tell you this, when a ceramic coating is applied, it's applied onto your vehicle by hand in a crosshatch motion, left to right, up and down. We wait 5 to 7 minutes for the vehicle's coating to flash, and then we wipe it off. We level the coating. Well, what you're doing is when you're putting it on and you're wiping it off, there's not much left. Maybe a micron or less going on the actual surface. With Icon Rock Clear, when we apply Icon Rock Clear on, we apply it in left to right motion by hand, and we never remove it. It's the world's first self-leveling coating on the market, and this Toyota Supra now has it. So let me walk you through the entire process. Follow me. We start off by washing the entire vehicle. We do a full foam wash, remove all the main dirt and grime. We clean everything. We clean all the paint, we clean the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, all the brake calipers, all the brake dust. Then we take a detail brush. It's like a makeup brush. We go around everything. We go around the window trims, we go around the spoilers, we go around every single component, around all the bezels. We move the mirror backwards, forwards, we move the handle in and out. Everything gets detailed. Then we do our decontamination. We do an iron decontamination that's going to remove any iron particles, brake dust, and road grime. Then we do a clay bar treatment. If you haven't heard of a clay bar, it's about this big. It's like a bar of soap, but it's a bar of clay. We rub it on the exterior of the paint to remove any embedded contamination, stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel it with your hands. Then after that, we're gonna do our Icon Rip. That's gonna remove any deeper swirls, deeper scratches, fading, oxidation, and it's gonna remove any ceramic coatings, any dealership stuff, any waxes, sealants, Maxilone, whatever you have on the exterior prior to us coating it. Then we tape everything up. We tape off all your trim pieces, your windows, your rims. We tape off any emblems on the exterior. We bring it into our booth. Our booth is dust controlled, temperature controlled, mopped and swept twice a day. It also has an exhaust system in it. And I can even measure the amount of microns of dirt particles that are in the booth. Once I bring the vehicle into the booth all taped up, we do an isopropyl alcohol bath to remove any oils, a paint prep to soften up the paint so that the coating can bond directly to the exterior clear. Once I apply it on by hand, the vehicle then gets pulled out, we detape it, and then we do all of our final finishing coatings like the trim, the wheels, the windows for our showroom package. Now I want to explain the window coating. Window coating is amazing. Glass Shield Pro has a little bit of acid inside of the formulation, where when we apply it on, the acid etches the actual surface of the glass and it bonds. It makes the Glass Shield Pro, the silicone dioxide in it, that ceramic inside of the Glass Shield Pro, it makes it bond to the actual glass. So you're gonna be anywhere between 1 and 2 years of long-lasting protection as opposed to a traditional window coating which might last 6 to 8 months, which is awesome because after those 1 to 2 years, when you see it start not working, you have our 4R policy. You get anything that gets repaired, replaced, repainted for free. We recoat it. So after the glass, see it start to wearing off, we reapply it for free. No questions asked, no deductibles. That's our 15-year guarantee with Icon Rock Clear. Also, the Icon Rock Clear itself won't yellow, it won't peel, it won't delaminate, it won't chip, it won't crack, it won't fade, it won't bubble. You name it, it will not do it. The product is on the vehicle for 15 years. I would love to do your vehicle in Icon or PPF or ceramic or tinted or any of our other 15 different services. If you want to get your vehicle done by us, give us a call and book a consultation. We'll walk you through the shop, we'll meet you, we'll shake your hand, we'll show you what we can do for your vehicle. We want to work with you, we want to work with your vehicle, your budget. We want to tailor everything specific to you. We're a very custom, high-end, luxury paint protection and enhancement shop. If you want to get your vehicle done, book a consultation. Call me 219-533-8783 or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. 2021 Toyota Supra, fully Icon coated showroom package. This puppy is mint. Thank you so much for the business, Dr. V. If you have any questions, call me, 219-533-8783. Aaron with A2D, out.